Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are all fine and have a good time at home. I am your math teacher Shahzeb Zafar from Maryland High School. Today our topic of 5th and 4th class is multiplication and addition of decimal numbers. Any number which contain point is called decimal number, if just like 57.83. This is a decimal numbers, and when I call a decimal numbers, then after point the digit I call separate, single digit. 67.83, after point I call it single, 8 and 3. And other, if I write a whole number 53, so its point is at the last point, and I also write 53.00. So if I have a number without point, so I make it a decimal number at the last by using point. And one thing more, just like I have 4.9 and a number 4.50. So the amount which is greater, the first digit after the point is greater. Its first digit after point is 9 and its is 5. So it is not 4. If you understand 4.9 and 4.50, if you think 50 is greater than 9, so it's wrong. So 9 after point, the number is greater, which is the greater number after the point. After point is 9 and after point is 5. So greater amount is 4.9. So I write it is as it is 4.90. So we're going first addition of decimal numbers. I take any two decimal numbers, just like 495.64, and other amount I write. When I perform the addition of decimal numbers, I need to put point under the point. So here point, just like second term, if I have 46.93, so I put its point under the point of first amount. So 46.93. So perform the addition action as we perform simple addition of two terms. 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 9, 15, carry 1. So I write here 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, and also write the point under the point. So 12 again carry 1, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14 again carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 542.57. So if I have a amount 549, a complete number, a whole number 549, and other amount I have a decimal number 234.45. So as I explained, I make it decimal number by using at the ending point and then make these zero, write zeros. How many I write zero, it don't have effect on the number. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, and point, put the under point. 4 plus 9, 13, carry 1, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 783.45. So I take other example of addition. I have a number 0.5439, and other number I have 84.29. So I put the point under the point, then perform the addition action. 9, 3 plus, these are the 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 3, 13, and again carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, and point at the position 4 plus 0, 4, and 8 as it is. 84 point. Now we perform the action of multiplication of two decimal numbers. I choose these two numbers 85.49 and 23.4. I perform the multiplication addition. So 85.49 multiply with 23.4. So here I don't need to put point under the point. So first thing, when we perform multiplication, so forget about the point. So you think these two numbers without point. First I forget about point. This term without point. So perform the simple as we perform the multiplication. 4 9s are 36, carry 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3. 19, carry 1, 4 plus 4, 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, carry 2, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 2, 34. And again when I multiply with the second position at the position of 10th, so I also start with the position number at the position of 10. So here put a 0 or a cross. Then multiply with 3 whole term, 3 9s are 27, put 7 and carry 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, 3 5s are 15, 15, 1 plus 1, 16, again carry 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25. Then at the position 2 is at the position of 100, then I need 2 0 and again multiply with 2 whole term, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So then addition 6, 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, carry 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 7, 9 and 1. So at the end I need to put point. I use a method. First count the how many digits in first term after point. So here 1 and 2. 2 digits in first term and how many digits in second term after point. It is a point and after point 1 digit. So then add 2 plus 1 3. So from right hand side I count 3 digits 1, 2 and 3. So here put a point. So its answer is 1999.666. I take other example. 2 5 4 multiply with, then we add these terms 6 9 plus 7 16 carry 1 4 plus 8 12 12 plus 1 13 13 plus 1 14 carry 1 6 plus 9 15 15 plus 4 19 19 plus 1 20 again carry 2 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 2 10 carry 1 2 plus 7 9 9 plus 1 10 carry 1 and 1 plus 1 2. Now I need to use point. So first I count how many digits after points. So in first term 4 9 2 digits and second in term second only 1 digit, then add 2 plus 1 3. Now from left side I count 3 digits and use point 1 2 and 3. So its answer is 2000.466. So I take other example. First I choose a number 0.254 and second number multiply with 0.54. So first thing I forget about point. So these term without point. So 4 4s are 16, then carry 1, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 21, carry 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. So at the position of 5 10, so I make it 0, use 0 or cross. 5 4s are 20, use 0, carry 2, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 27. So use 7, carry again 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. So then count, perform addition 6 1 plus 0 1 7 1 plus 2 3 and 1. Then I use point. So first count the after point digits. These are 3 and in second term 0.54 2 digit, then add 3 plus 2 5 and from right side I count 5 digit 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here use point and write 0. This 0 we use for conditionally. I need to explain one thing. If I have an answer 5 4 3 and I use point after 5 digits, So I count 1, 2, 3, but here I have only 3 digits. So how I make 5? So I use zeros. These two zeros then convert into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 then after 5 digit points. So if we have less numbers than points, so we add zeros, convert into more 5 digits, or if you have 6 2, after you want to use 3 digit 1 2, then use 1 0. So this is the today topic of this is today lecture, and for your assignment, for your practice, you choose any 10 numbers and perform the addition, and choose any 10 questions for multiplication. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.